If you come across an account on Facebook that you believe violates Facebook community standards, then you can report it. So, how to report someone's Facebook account? Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, all you have to do is navigate to the profile of the person you want to report. You can simply search in the search address bar and search for that person, or scroll down and the post the person has posted, you can simply tap on their profile picture and navigate to their profile. So now, once on their profile page, all you have to do is tap on the three dot next to their profile. So you can see there is three dot right next to their profile picture or cover photo. Tap on it and you will be navigated to a drop down menu. Now from there, click on the report profile option available there. Facebook will ask you to choose reason for your report. Option includes fake account, harassment, hate speech, violence or harm, and many more. Select the appropriate reason and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your report. Facebook will review your report and take action if necessary. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.